My video tutorial will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to remove pop-ups that are related to the site advbeach.com. This site advbeach.com is totally faulty. It is absolutely deceptive. It shows fake human verification alerts which try to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But in reality, it is a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow. If you have mistakenly done that, you need to fix your browser by going to the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Remove this advbeach.com. Finally, to make sure that your device is free of any other possibly concealed threats, I recommend investigating it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the program, install the software, and start thoroughly researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.